Here we have to evaluate x provided 1 upon 11 to the power 2 has a negative 2 as power, and then we have a curly bracket outside it which also carries an exponent, a rational exponent of minus 1 by 3 backed or followed by 1 by 4, okay, as well at the end of the block bracket. So first step would be to bring this on the top. So 11 to the power minus 2. Alright, and here we still have a minus 2 outside. Minus 1 by 3, and the block bracket or box bracket, however you call it, is outside, which has an exponent or rational exponent of 1 by 4. Got it? So the next step should be to multiply these two and bring them together. So 11 minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 would give me a positive 4, and then my curly bracket will continue as it was, and here we have 11 to the power x. Got it? So once again, okay, we have to multiply these two in the next step. So we have 11 4 multiplied by a minus 1 by 3, and then it's enclosed by the block bracket. Correct? Can we cancel here? I'm sure not. Okay, so in that case we write over here as minus 4 by 3, and outside the block bracket we have 1 upon 4 as a rational exponent, and here 11 by x. Correct? So next step is quite okay, understood by you, I'm sure. It would be to multiply the two powers. So 4 gets cancelled, so 11 to the power x. Here we are left with minus 1 by 3, and here 11 to the power x, which we are copying. Now this is the x, okay, which we are trying to figure out, and therefore having compared the bases, we next compare the powers. Okay, and what do we see? That this x must be equal to minus 1 by 3, or else there could not be an equation between them. So we know that our x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So guys, this is the final answer, and I hope you have understood as I have explained you step by step. If you still have any query, do write to me in the comment box. I shall help you further. And if you like my channel, do subscribe. It gives us a great motivation. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.